this is a quick tutorial video describing the project we need to complete. We will be scraping information from the website InternSG.com, specifically from the latest internships section. So we see that there are many listings for internships, and there are over 10,000 records. So what we will do is scrape the information from each of these records over the last 1 to 2 years. So we will not need to scrape the entire database, just the last 1 to 2 years at this point. So here's an example of the information we will need. Here we have a company, Tetra Pak Southeast Asia. So we will move this data into a CSV spreadsheet. The spreadsheet should look something like this, with company name, designation, date listed, and so forth, based on the different categories of these postings. So we would simply like to essentially copy the information and paste it into the spreadsheet in the relevant field. Also, if possible, we would like to collect the URL address of the specific posting that we are collecting, and that would be here in link. Now, the one complicated area of this job will be, or more complicated area will be, to get the name and email information. So I'll show you how that is gathered. So contact name can be found by clicking this button, apply for position. And in most cases, the name will be listed here. However, the format is always the same, so we should be able to write a simple program to collect the name here and input it here in contact name. Now, contact email can be found typically on the first page of the listing at the bottom here. And that would be entered into the contact email field. So there are many listings which do not contain a name and do not contain a contact email. And in that case, we can simply leave the cell blank or populate it with NA for not available. So this is all of the information that we will need to gather. So we should have a CSV spreadsheet filled out with all of the internship listings. As I mentioned, for the last 2 years roughly, we can see the post date. I would imagine that that will produce roughly 5,000 entries on the spreadsheet, and that will be the end of the project. So please let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for your help.